What's up, everybody? Chris here from Bold Canyon Outdoors and GearAmerica, and today we're headed up to Apache Junction, Arizona for a desert cleanup with Keep Our Desert Clean. Now, Keep Our Desert Clean is a 501c3 nonprofit organization that does exactly what the name says. It keeps the desert clean. Dylan and his crew have been cleaning the desert for years, and he puts together these amazing cleanups with nothing but volunteers and donation. What happens? A bunch of off-roaders get together, we go clean up popular off-roading areas and clean up all the garbage that some of those non-savory characters leave behind. We do this in an effort to keep trails open and to make sure everybody still has access to all of our wild spaces. So let's head up to Apache Junction and get started. To Apache Junction for the Keep Our Desert Clean event at Bulldog Canyon. Now, I'm going to put some links down below for where you can find information on Keep Our Desert Clean. You should go check out their website. Dylan does a great job, puts on many of these a year, and a handful of them will have huge raffles with thousands of dollars worth of prizes that are donated. He brings food out so people can get a meal while they're out cleaning, also donated. All of the cleanup supplies, everything. He has such a large network of people that take care of all these donations to make this happen. So definitely go check it out. Both GearAmerica and Bold Canyon Outdoors sponsor the raffles every year and every event that he puts on. So check those links down below, and we're on our way to the cleanup. right, guys, there you have it. Thanks for tagging along with us on another Keep Our Desert Clean Desert Cleanup. Now do me a favor, go down and check those links down below. They've got all kinds of good information on Keep Our Desert Clean and how you can get involved. And no matter where you are, I don't care if you're here in Arizona or across the country or across the world, get involved with an organization that goes out and clean trails. We got to keep these trails open for generations to come. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them below. Be glad to hear from you. And do me a favor, hit that like, hit that subscribe, and ring that bell. That way you'll be the first one notified anytime we've got a cool run, a cool gear review, install, all kinds of stuff coming. So for Bold Canyon Outdoors, this is Chris signing off. Happy trails, everybody.